Welcome, fellow investors, to a riveting exploration of the intricate world of investments and the captivating allure of cognitive biases that may undermine our financial triumphs. In this illuminating piece, we embark on a journey to understand how these thinking traps can imperceptibly skew our investment strategies and unveil actionable insights to navigate future financial terrain successfully. The ever-changing investing landscape. In the past few years, the financial world has witnessed seismic changes transforming the very fabric of investing. Technology and data-driven methodologies have bestowed the power of knowledge on every investor's fingertips, leveling the playing field like never before. As we revel in this abundance of information, our human psyche unwittingly falls prey to thinking traps and cognitive biases that can compromise rational decision-making. The illusion of invincibility. Imagine this. You've made a series of profitable investments, and a euphoric feeling of invincibility surges through your veins. It's the overconfidence trap, and it can lead us to make risky decisions, ignoring potential downsides and recklessly betting on high-risk assets. Remember, the market remains capricious, and humility in investing is an indispensable virtue. Anchoring to past references. As humans, we often anchor our decisions to historical reference points, allowing past events to influence our present judgment. If a stock once traded at $100, we may hesitate to buy it when it's now priced at $150, fearing it is overvalued. Nevertheless, we should objectively analyze the stock's present potential, not remain anchored to outdated benchmarks. The fear of missing out, FOMO. The notorious FOMO. We've all been there, observing with envy as our friends and colleagues boast about their investment triumphs. This fear can incite hasty decisions, urging us to jump onto the bandwagon of the latest hot trend without proper due diligence. However, successful investing involves discipline and a willingness to resist emotional impulses. The allure of confirmation bias. Confirmation bias is our brain's inherent tendency to seek out information that confirms our existing beliefs while dismissing contradictory evidence. We become unwittingly closed-minded, jeopardizing our ability to make well-rounded decisions. Overcoming this bias requires constant vigilance and a commitment to considering diverse perspectives. Actionable investment and financial advice. Now that we have a deeper understanding of these thinking traps, let's delve into actionable advice to fortify our investment strategies and steer clear of potential pitfalls. Embrace the power of diversification. To mitigate the risks of overconfidence and overexposure to a single investment, embrace the time-tested strategy of diversification. Like a skilled conductor orchestrating a symphony, allocate your assets across various classes and industries to create a harmonious portfolio that resonates with your risk appetite and financial aspirations. Chart your course with a robust plan. Create a comprehensive investment plan that aligns with your long-term financial goals and risk tolerance. In moments of market turbulence, your well-crafted plan will act as a reliable compass, guiding you through storms and keeping you on course to achieve your objectives. Knowledge is key. Unravel the intricacies of each investment opportunity with meticulous research. Avoid being anchored to past prices and instead focus on a thorough analysis of the company's fundamentals, competitive landscape, and future prospects. Well-informed decisions are the bedrock of investment success. Practice the art of patience. While FOMO tempts us to leap into lucrative-looking opportunities, mastering the art of patience can yield bountiful rewards. Allow time for investments to mature and remember that the market offers a constant ebb and flow of opportunities. Disciplined patience often outperforms impulsive actions. Seek contrarian views. Combat confirmation bias by actively seeking out dissenting opinions. Engaging with a diverse range of perspectives can open your mind to alternative insights and help you make more balanced choices. The path to profitable investments lies in the ability to embrace constructive criticism. As we navigate the dynamic waters of investing, we must remain steadfast in our pursuit of knowledge and self-awareness. By recognizing and transcending cognitive biases, we empower ourselves to make sound decisions that will shape our financial future. The ever-evolving financial landscape beckons us to adapt, innovate, and grow alongside it. Armed with wisdom and a dash of humility, we can navigate the complexities of investing with confidence and prudence.